Dear student, today we have to discuss about the invertible function. Invertible function. The function f from x to y is called invertible if f is bijective, that is f is 1 1 and onto. Example: f from R to R be a function defined as f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 to show that f is invertible and find f inverse. Solution: 1 1. Let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies that 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. Here 3 is cancelled. Now 4x1 is equal to 4x2. 4 is cancelled. This implies that x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. Now second, onto. Since y is equal to fx is equal to 4x plus 3, first of all we have to find out the value of x in terms of y. We have to transpose 3. This becomes y minus 3 is equal to 4x. This implies that x is equal to y minus 3 upon 4. Put x in the function, we get 4 y minus 3 upon 4. We get f y minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 4 into y minus 3 upon 4 plus 3. Here 4 is cancelled. Now this becomes y minus 3 plus 3. Here 3 is cancelled. We have to get f of x is equal to y. Now for every y belongs to y, there exists x belongs to x such that f of x is equal to y. Therefore f is onto. This implies that f is bijective. This implies that f is invertible. Now since y is equal to fx This implies that x is equal to f inverse y. Therefore x is equal to y minus 3 upon 4. This implies that f inverse y is equal to y minus 3 upon 4. Therefore f inverse x is equal to x minus 3 upon 4 is inverse of f.